Welcome you all in this bullish stocks channel. Today is Saturday and I have time. That's why I'm sharing some kind of information with you guys. मैंने कुछ stocks आज pick किए हैं जिनकी information I'll share with you. If you will be interested to buying that stocks या those of stocks तो आप उसमें buy कर सकते हैं. That will be very beneficial. But I will firstly say to all of you that if you are going to buy any stock now, so invest at least for 1 or 2 months. So here we go. Without wasting our time, we will be our YouTube. So here's the stock. This is Simon Limited. Guys, maybe आप में से कुछ लोगों ने ना सुना हो, but this is a kind of the biggest player of its sector. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा इसके कुछ technicals and fundamentals. Basically, this stocks related with the capital goods sector, and if we will just consider this stock is the biggest player of its sector. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर the Siemens Limited has the market capitalization 38,014.06 crores. अब बिगेस्ट प्लेयर है अपने सेक्टर्स का. इसके बाद सेकंड लार्जेस्ट हेवल्स इंडिया आता है, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आता है, एबीबी इंडिया, एआईई इंजीनियरिंग्स, एलएनटी टेक्नोलॉजी सर्विस लिमिटेड भी काफी बाद में आता है. सो साइमन लिमिटेड इज अ गुड स्टॉक फॉर यू टुडे बिकॉज आप इसका मैं आपके साथ इसका चार्ट शेयर करना चाहूंगा. इफ यू विल फाइंड इट इंफॉर्मेटिव देन यू कैन बाय दिस स्टॉक. सो गाइस, ये रहा साइमन्स लिमिटेड का चार्ट. मैंने आज इसके लिए कुछ टारगेट्स, कुछ फंडामेंटल, इसके कुछ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करे हैं. तो अगर आपको पसंद आता है सो यू कैन गो फॉर दिस स्टॉक. सो मूविंग अहेड गाइस, साइमन लिमिटेड 23 of March this stock has make like 947, the low of 947. Here we go, and here the one more I have marked the opportunity of buying. I have make my alert here around this one. I was about to buy this stock at the price of 1014, but now as you can see the chart, the charts, the candlesticks are now swing up towards the up. And guys, this stock is valuable at this money, biggest company in this sector, largest player in this sector, and now it's about to swing. And you can just see here the two candles and the consolidated. This stock has been consolidated at this range, the price range of around here we go. The price range was where this stock has been consolidated, like here. You can see the price range, 5% moving up and down around 55 rupees. This stock has been consolidated here at the price. So my target will be guys, if you are going to buy this stock tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like on Monday, so it will be cool at the price of 1050. It will be very attractive at 1050. Here I will suggest to you, all of you guys, buy this stock at 1050 on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. This stock will definitely come at 1050 and you can buy there, and our profit will be around here, somewhere around here, around 1240 book profit. The second book profit, guys, this is the second book profit. The first book profit is around somewhere around 1190. Okay guys, somewhere around 1190 our book profit will be first, somewhere around 1290. Here we go. So guys, if you will calculate the book profit from here, which we are going to buy the stocks around 1050, the booking margins, the book profit margin would be around 18%. And as I told you, all of you guys, that if you are going to invest the money in this stock now, so you will have to buy at least for 1 or 2 months. So definitely this stock will go uptrend, cause जब से like we are facing the pandemic, this stock has not moved on the upside. ये क्रैक हुआ था around when it was 10th और 13th ऑफ जुलाई तक ये मार्च अप्रैल तक ये करेक्ट हुआ था. उसके बाद इट हैज मूव्ड डाउन, सो वेरी डाउन, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट अपने लो पर आ गया था. इट हैज ब्रेक द 1000 target, 1000 mark. So guys, if we are going to invest this stock, obviously we will also put our stop loss, and our stop loss line would be at the red mark, which is here. I would suggest to you all that if you are going to buy the stock now, so I would suggest you make the stop loss of around here 999, 999 or 998. I would suggest you guys 998. 998 if would be the stop loss now. So your stop loss margin would be around 4.9%, around 4.9%, if my calculation is correct. If so, if you are getting the 18% return by taking the risk of 5% around, so it would be the good buying opportunity in this stock. So I would suggest to you guys, if you are going to have invest in this stock for a month, so definitely it will give you the return of around 18%. And here we go. First buying opportunity and the second buying opportunity. I don't think so okay ye stock will touch this line of 1014. If it will touch 1014, it will be more better for you for buying at this amount, and it will surely give you that 20 to 21% return maybe. So my target would be around from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I will buy it to 1050, and I will sell the stock firstly 1187, or I will wait for the 1240, so that I can book my profit for 18 or 19%. And stop loss would be around guys 999, because 9998 I'm saying this because whenever this stock break the 1000 mark na, ये अपने danger zone में आ जाएगा. 1000 mark is the kind of resistance for this stock. If this stock break the 1000 mark, so it will be definitely the buyers the sellers and the buyers will panic, and they will short the stock below the 1000 mark. So this is all about the Siemens Limited, guys. I would suggest you to buy this stock. This is a very good company, and for sure it will give you the good return around 1 or 2 months, 1 or 2 months. And I think so if you are going to invest 1 month your money, and you are getting the 18% return for that, so definitely these stocks are good stocks. This is all about, guys, and thanks for watching. Keep support. Thank you all.